Hi, my name is Muhammad Arief Akmal. I am from Group 33. My student ID is 2022461142. In this video, I will introduce to you guys about atomic symbol, atomic number, mass number, isotopes, elements, molecules, compound, and lastly, ions. First is atom. Atom is smallest particle of an element that retain the characteristic properties of that element. You guys can see the example of an atom below. Atoms are made up of three subatomic particles, namely proton, electrons, and also neutrons. Proton and neutrons are the center of an atom, also known as nucleus. Electrons move around the nucleus in circular. The orbit are called the energy levels. Nucleus are the center of an atom. It contains protons and neutrons. Next, we proceed with atomic numbers, mass numbers, and isotopes. Atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom of any particular element. You guys must remember that number of protons are equal to the number of electrons. Mass number is the total number of protons combined with neutrons in the atoms. As you guys can see from the picture, X represents atomic symbol of the element. A represents mass number, that are protons combined with neutrons. Z represent atomic number, that are protons or electrons. Next is element. Element is substance that cannot be broken down into two or more different substances. You guys must remember that same element are equal to the same number of protons. It is formed from the combination of atoms only. Also occur in a molecular form in which the same type of elements are chemically combined. They are called diatomic molecules or sometimes molecular elements. Next, we proceed with isotopes. Isotopes are atoms with identical atomic numbers but different mass numbers. Mostly, elements have either two or more isotopes. Isotopes have different numbers of neutrons. Isotopes have similar chemistries, forming same types of compound and displaying similar reactive. Next, a molecule. Molecule is an aggregate of at least two atoms in a definite agreement that held together by chemical force. It forms from chemical combinations of atoms to atoms. It combines in specific ratios to one another. Next, we proceed with compounds. A compound is a substance composed of atoms of two or more elements chemically united in fixed proportions. Compounds can only be separated into their pure components by chemical means. Last is ions. An ion is an atom or group of atoms that has a net positive or negative charge. In any given atom, the number of protons is always equal to the number of electrons. Neutral atoms can lose or gain electrons and become charged. There are two types of ions. First is cation. Cation is ion with a positive charge. If a neutral atom loses one or more electrons, it becomes the cation. Next is anion. Anion is ion with a negative charge. If a neutral atom gains one or more electrons, it becomes an anion.